Hi guys, welcome back to Python versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about how to analyze a document using Python. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions. So it can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So let's get started with the program. So you can see firstly we are starting with importing the necessary modules, libraries required for the program. So Tkinter, and from Tkinter we are also getting file dialog. As we all know, Tkinter is used for GUI and which provides dialogs for opening and saving the files. We have root is equal to tk root title is equal to document analysis. This creates the main window of the application using Tkinter. It sets the title of the window to document analysis. And we have document label is equal to tk.label, root text is equal to select a document. So this widget is created to added to the main window. The label prompts the user to select the document. And later we have one of the functions of select document, which is called when user clicks select button, it opens a file dialog for selecting a document, and if a file is selected, it calls the analyze document function with the selected path. And we have select button is equal to tk dot button, and the text should be select and select button path. This creates a button labeled select that when clicked triggers the select document function. And we have a second function of analyze document. This is definition of analyze function. It takes the selected file path to the input and performs the document analysis. We have small count window is equal to tk dot top level root, and small count window title we have given as small letter counts. The capital count window is equal to tk dot top level root, and we have capital count window title capital letter counts. So here two top level windows are created. One is for displaying the count of small letters and the other is for displaying the count of capital letters. Then we have a try and except loop with open file R encoding UTF-8 as file document is equal to file dot read except unique code decode error with open file path R encoding Latin 1 as file document is equal to file.read. This code attempts to read the content of the selected document using UTF-8 encoding, and decoding fails due to Unicode error. It tries again using Latin 1 encoding. Then we have small count, which is the number of small letters present is equal to sum of 1 for C in document if C is lowercase. That means it is counting every letter, and if it is checking if it is lower, then the small count increases, and the same goes with the capital letters also. If C dot is upper, it adds sums to the capital count. These lines count the number of lowercase and uppercase letters in the document using the generator exception expressions. And then later we have small count label is equal to tk dot label small count window text is equal to f dot small letters count, and we have small count label dot pack, and we have capital count label tk dot label, and the text we have given is capital letter count and the number will be displayed, and capital count label dot Pack. This is the label that displays the counts of small and capital letter are created and added to their respective top level windows. And finally, we have root dot main window. This starts the main event loop, allowing the Tkinter application to run and respond to user interactions. So let's quickly check the output of the program. So as usual, I'm going to copy the name of the file and go command prompt in the same window and Python space file name dot py, and it shows me select a document. So let me just select a document, a random one. And you can see there is a small letter count and the number of small letters present in that document are being given. Okay, you can't resize them. So let me just close it. So you can see the capital letter count is also given. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.